Ryan Kelly, as President-elect, you have been selected by your fellow members to be the leader of our state association for the coming year. You are therefore responsible for guiding our state association in all its worthy undertakings. May you work intelligently and seriously, fulfilling the responsibilities of your office.
Alexander James Morsi. You have been a mentor, inspiration, cheerleader, and friend to myself and countless FFA members this year. You have a rare passion and enthusiasm for life that I hope you never lose. Your faith, passion, and integrity allows you to lead by example in every situation. Thank you for an incredible year of service. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2010-2011 Oregon FFA State President, Alex Morsi.
Adam Powell. As Vice President-elect, your record of accomplishments indicates that you have those qualities of leadership that we should all possess. You are to assist the President in directing the work of our association, preside over meetings in his absence, and keep all committees running effectively.
Brittany Alves. Whether it's staying up late, having a heart-to-heart conversation on the carpet, or it's having your humor during a long delegate session, you have always been there for me and this association. Your pure kindness and willingness to serve has made this year outstanding, and I thank you. Oregon FFA, your 2010-2011 State Vice President, Brittany Alves.
Secretary-elect, you have been chosen to keep accurate minutes and carry on the state correspondence. You should provide the State Association with the order of business and committee assignments for each meeting. You should also keep a list of records, a record of members, and have custody of the Constitution and bylaws.
Miss Brianna Tanaka. This past year, you have come nothing short of an incredible inspiration and one amazing friend to all of us here. Even more so, the 3,000 FFA members still at home. You are a beautiful woman, and I truly can't wait to see where life will take you. Thankfully for now, it won't be far at all. Thank you for your year of service. Oregon FFA, your 2010-2011 Oregon FFA State Secretary, Ms. Brianna Tanaka.
Jason Wetzler. As Treasurer-elect, you have been placed in a position of trust. Your duties require you to keep accurate record of receipts and disbursements and provide regular financial reports. It is also your responsibility to assist in developing the State Association's budget as well as maintaining sound financial practices.
Riva West. You are by far one of the most original people I've ever met. Despite your size, you pack quite the inspirational punch, and many members have felt it throughout this past year. Through the year, you've filled the members of the Oregon FFA with memories, ideas, and most of all, inspiration. Whether you're getting gangsta listening to Tupac, or just having fun, having a heart-to-heart talk with anyone, you are always changing lives. We are ever grateful to you. Oregon FFA, your 2010-2011 State Treasurer, Riva West.
year. It is your duty as reporter-elect to inform the public about the FFA. You should keep a record of articles and photographs of FFA members, and you are expected to work closely with the news media, including state and national FFA publications.
Mr. Jake Anthony Ursig. This past year has been more memorable for me and those in this crowd tonight than ever before. Your dedication to the FFA has definitely been proven through your actions, attitude, and the effect that you have on all those that you come in contact with. Whether it be the random FFA state pictures at fair that you were taking, you are still a great friend to all of us. Thank you for your year of service to the FFA. Oregon FFA, your 2010-2011 Oregon FFA State Reporter, Jake Ursig.
Nicole Lane. As Sentinel-elect, your duties include welcoming our friends, caring for the meeting room and FFA equipment, and providing for the comfort of our members and guests. It is also your duty to assist in conducting meetings and ceremonies.
Bailey Field. This past year, your silly stories, quirky personality have made you a joy to be around. However, it is your true passion for service and excitement for life that has been an inspiration to this organization. Your bubbly personality and bright smile will definitely be missed. And on behalf of Oregon FFA, I would like to thank you for your year of service. Oregon FFA, your 2010-2011 Oregon FFA State Sentinel, Bailey Field.
It is an honor to be an officer in the FFA. From time to time during the year, you may encounter difficult problems, but through cooperation, hard work, and dedication, you will succeed and the FFA will prosper. Do each of you accept the responsibilities of your office, and will you do your best to uphold the ideal principles of the FFA? If so, answer we do.
We do.
I now declare each of you properly and duly installed in the respective office to which you were elected. May your year of service be marked by integrity, dedication, and cooperative spirit. Seek harmony among your fellow officers and set high standards of leadership for all chapter members. Retiring officers, will you please escort the newly installed officers to their respective stations? Woo!
Alex, it is a true privilege and honor to present to you the 83rd Annual FFA Oregon State Convention gavel. To you. As you continue your journey through life, let this gavel be a reminder of the impact that you have made on this organization. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2010-2011 Oregon FFA State President, Alex Morsi.